We are Group A24 and our group name is Espresso Yourself. Our team members are Joyce, Miyu, and Yuhan. This is our process flow diagram. We first roasted our green beans and then put them into the coffee grinder. After that, we placed the dry coffee ground in the clever coffee dripper and brewed a total of 993 grams of coffee.
In the roasting process, the initial mass of green beans was 115 grams, which decreased to 100.5 grams, mainly due to the water loss. In the brewing process, we used 1,360 grams of water to heat and end up with 993 grams of water brewed. Due to evaporation and absorption by coffee grounds, a total of 80 grams of roasted beans were used, and 10.63 of solid were extracted into the coffee. The final calculated waste from both water and coffee grounds was 276.37 grams.
For the type of beans, we used Ethiopian beans with a grain size of 20, based on our past lab experiences, as they produce a less sour taste and had a sweet aftertaste. For the roasting method, we used the French roaster. We decided to use dark roasted beans since they taste more nutty and full-bodied.
We decided to use clever coffee for our brewing method because it requires no additional energy. By doing so, we can reduce the overall energy used to create a cup of coffee. By adding all the energy usage for each step from heating water, roasting, and brewing, the total energy used was 0.45 kilowatt per hour. Our brewed coffee had a TDS of 1.07% and a PE of 13.2%. With a brew ratio of 15, our coffee will be located in the lower left area of the control chart as indicated by the red dot. This area is typically associated with a sweet flavor.
For the sensory evaluation, our team received a final blind tasting score of 15.91, which placed us 6th overall among all teams. According to the taster, our coffee had a slightly sour flavor at first, followed by a noticeable bitterness in the aftertaste. Compared to other groups, our score was quite average and balanced, indicating that our brew was solid but with room for improvement.
For a future hypothetical contest, we would like to improve our tasting by adjusting our TDS and PE so that it will fall into the area of classic standard in the control chart. To achieve this, we can experiment with a finer grind size or changing brew ratio. In addition, we can explore different extraction times and see how much time we should spend to produce the best tasting coffee while minimizing energy consumption.